Sajib and Rupam, did you create a free account in MathWorks? Uh-huh.
আপনি লিংক কৰিছিল তাত একাউন্ট ক্ৰিয়েট কৰিছিল ফ্ৰী একাউন্ট
ফ্ৰী একাউন্টে হয়, এক মাহৰ কাৰণে দিয়ে।
নাই মানে তাত প্ৰথম যেতিয়া ইমেইল আইডি পাসওয়ার্ড এইবিলাক ক্ৰিয়েট কৰিব দিয়ে তো ক্ৰিয়েট হোৱাৰ পিছত তাৰপিছত একোৱে নাহে ডাইৰেক্ট আগতে আহে ফেল বুলি আহে দুই তিনিটা একাউণ্টৰ পৰা কৰিলো তাৰপিছত কাম নিদিলে।
আজি ইমপ্লিমেন্ট কেনে কৰিবা তেতিয়াহ'লে?
তাকে চাওঁ কি হয়গে কৰি আছো।
আচ্ছা চেষ্টা কৰাচোন, মই চাই দিম বাৰু। মই লেব ক্লাছটো কৰিলো আজি, তাৰপিছত মই চাই দিম।
Okay, ma'am.
And Sajib, what about you? Could you create an account there in MathWorks?
No, ma'am.
No. What about the rest? Divya, Kaushik, then Sarovar? Could you people create the account in MathWorks? Because today I
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Did you try to run the first program which I had given in the last class?
मैम कुछ टाइम पहले
कुछ नहीं करना है, ठीक है। जस्ट यू हैव टू कॉपी इट। मैंने डॉक्यूमेंट पीडीएफ फाइल में दिया था ना, वहां से कॉपी करके बस मैटलैब में पेस्ट कर देना है, फिर एग्जीक्यूट करके देखना है। You just have to see whether the output is coming or not, because the program has already been explained, right? So just
Okay.
once, okay. Just turn on the MathWorks now. Now you have to execute it today, okay? Because if you don't execute it, you won't be able to understand, okay? What about
the website name is Octave Online.
No, Octave Online, if you can implement, then it's well. But for me, it is not working now. Till last class, it was working. Now it is not working. That's why I created one free account in MathWorks now. Just try in Octave Online. Just try it once. They'll ask you to create an account. Don't need to create the account. Just sign in with email, and then third option. Go to the third. I'll show you. Wait, 1 sec. I'll just show you. Online Octave na. 1 sec. So this is the screen, okay? When you open Octave Online, the page, this is the screen. Then they will straight away take you to this menu. Okay, then click on menu here, okay? See the third option. If you haven't created an account, no need, because you just have to check whether it works online or not, okay? You have to click on this, sign in with email. You give your mail address, click on I am not robot, submit. After submission, you will get an 11-digit code there, okay? Just check once. After that, try to enter again. Last time it was working for me, now it is not working. That's why I quit this thing. So I went to MATLAB Online, MathWorks. Here I'm using it. Okay guys, all of you have come. Is everyone online now? Anyone else to join?
मैम स्टार्ट करो।
Start करो, ठीक है सर। Okay, last class we discussed on negative of a grayscale image, I guess, right? So say negative of a grayscale image. So do you remember this coding? The explanation, do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so if you can remember this, we 1 second. Okay, so this is the program. So remember, mm, so what did we do here? We tried to perform the negative of the image with the help of this coding. Yeah. So what is negative of an image? So negative of image means in negative of image we try to represent the darker pixels with the lighter and lighter pixels with the darker, right? So when we want to implement in that way, we wrote this following code. Okay, so what did we do here? First we use the CLC command. Okay, I'm trying to explain again. This online thing also, please. Okay, so suppose this is my program. So here what did we do? We first used the CLC command, right? And CLC command, so this is the command window here. You can see the command window here. This is the command window. So what we will do when we use the CLC command here, it is used to clear the command window. So whatever it will be here, whatever information will be here, it will be cleared with the help of the CLC command. Okay, then next is we use the clear all command. Okay, so this clear all command, this is used to clear all the variable names and their value which is displayed in the workspace. So can you see? So whatever variables, whatever variable names, suppose I, this is J, this is K, P, Q. So whatever variable names will be there and whatever values will be displayed for those variables, it will be cleared off when we use the clear all command. Okay, and then the close all command. So what is this close all command? So this close all command, this is used to close all the previously open images. Okay, this close all will clear all the previously. So these two figures, actually these two are, this is the result of actually this this second program. Okay, I'm trying to remove it, it's not getting removed. So nevertheless, so what will happen when you use the close all command? The close all command is used to close all the previously opened images. Okay, now see, this is the command, this is the input command, you can say. So this is imread. We are using a variable here, and this variable, the image will be stored in this variable. Okay, and we are using the imread function. So this is the input function. So what is imread doing? The imread command is used to scan the image which is present on your computer or the system. So see, you can see here, I'm directly using the command today. I'm not mentioning any part. Why? Because this cameraman.tif, this image by default, it is already stored in the this is a default image. This is already stored in the MATLAB folder. Okay, so in MATLAB folder, this image is, it already exists. So I did not have to mention the path. Okay, so you can go check in the MATLAB drive. There you can check what all images are there. Okay, so you can check the images, and from there you can use the images here. So I have used cameraman.tif from the drive, so I haven't mentioned any part. Then we have mn equals to size of I. So what is this command? So this command, it is used to get a digital image in the form of the matrix. We already know that, right? We already know that when we are displaying, or when we are trying to explain an image, we are representing it in the form of a digital image, right? And digital image is nothing but it is in the form of a matrix of size m into n. Okay, so this is the size of the image I, that is this cameraman.tif. Now I neg equals to 0. So let's take another variable. I'm taking I neg. So this variable, it is used to represent the negative of an image. So since this program it is dealing with the negative of an image, so I'm using I neg here. Okay, so I neg equals to zeros of m comma n. So what this command will do, this command it will create a size of matrix m into n which is similar to the original image but with 0 values. Okay, so this is the original image, and when we use this value, so this I mean this equation or this function you can say, so what it will do, it will create a size of matrix m comma n which is similar to the original image but only with 0 values. Okay, then now I'm using another term here, that is max value, max dash value. So this is a max value. This is I'm trying to define a pixel here, that is a pixel with the maximum value. So to get the maximum valued pixel of this original image, what I'm trying is this that is I want to display the element with the highest value in this original image, that is cameraman image. Okay, so because of this I'm using the command max. I'm using the max command, but here I'm using max 2 times. Remember why I used max 2 times? Can you tell me the usage of twice?
Ma'am, it will give the value of highest valued pixel.
Yes, that's why we are using it twice, right? So suppose if I would have used only max of I, then it would have returned me the position as well as the highest value of the pixel, but I'm only interested in the highest value but not the position. Okay, so I'm using max twice here, so that is the meaning of using max command twice. Then we use the for command. So what is this for loop? So for equals to I, for I equals to 1 is to m. So what it will do, since image, that is digital image, is in the form of a matrix, right? M into n, say. So m is nothing but rows, yes, the number of rows, and n is nothing but the number of columns. Okay, so this function for I equals to 1 is to m, it will cover all the rows. For j equals to 1 is to n, it will cover all the columns in the image. Now we go on to representing the negative image finally. So for this I'm using I neg, that is I negative of I comma j, that is I'm taking every pixel of this I negative, that is the negative image, and I'm changing its value. I'm trying to change its value by typing this command max value minus I of I comma j, where I we already know this is the original image matrix. Okay, now so this is nothing but this is the function is nothing but this is the syntax to replace darker pixels with the lighter and lighter pixels with the darker. That is, we are trying to take the negative, we are trying to show the negative image with the help of this function. Okay, then end, so this end is for this loop, this for loop, this end is for this for loop. Okay, now then what we have to show, now we want to show the original image as well as the final, that is the negative image in our output. Okay, so to do that, first we have to use the subplot command. So what is the subplot command? This is nothing but it is basically, or it basically splits the screen, the entire screen according to our requirement. That is, however way we want to split the screen, we use the function subplot. So with the help of subplot, so say subplot of 1 comma 2 comma 1, say subplot of m comma a comma b comma c, suppose. So what it is doing, so a is the row, b is the column, and c is the name of the image, that is which number is the, which image is it, first image, the second image, the third image. So since I want to display my first original image, so this is 1, that is this is the first image I want to display, that is the original image. So subplot of 1, that is row number, column number, and the original image number. Okay, then now I want to show the image. So how will I show it in the form of a figure? I will use the imshow function. So imshow of nothing but I, and I here is the original image, that is this. Okay, then now we have to give some title to it. So this is nothing but this is the original image, so let's keep it let's give the title simply as the original image. Okay, you can use some other name as well, but so in order to remember it, just keep it as original image. Okay, then going on to the next command, again we are using the subplot. So subplot 1 2, this is row number, column number, and this 2 means we are trying to represent the second figure, which is the negative image. Okay, so 2. Now we want to display the negative image. Again we use the command imshow of uint8 of ineg. So do you remember the function of uint, why we are using this function, or why we are using this term? Yes guys, you remember? See, we're talking about image, right? And image means we need whole numbers or integers. So if there are some negative numbers or values also, we have to convert, or say double values. So we have to convert those double values into the integer. So in that case, we have to use this uint. Okay, so it is basically converting the double values into integer. That is whatever values are in the negative pixel, that is whatever values in the negative pixel is there in the form of double, it is converted into integer type. Okay, and finally we are using the title as negative image because we want to show simply the negative image of the original image. Yes, now when you try to finally implement this program, we simply go to the editor section, we press on run, and then suppose I want to say neg. Okay, just replace it and okay, so I'm trying to run this program now. So okay, run. क्या हुआ रे? Just wait. एक मिनट भाई लोग,
बहुत कॉपी पेस्ट कर
এইটো বহুত প্ৰব্লেম দিয়ে, মই বহুত বাৰ পাইছো এইটো. Okay, no need that much of hassle. Just copy and run. क्या हुआ? ओ अच्छा अच्छा, wait.
Ma'am, I think first of all you have to save the command.
No, you can directly say. I think
rename नहीं हो रहा है.
rename नहीं हो रहा है, मतलब मैंने ये सब waves I have already used. নহয় মই এইবোৰ already use কৰি থৈছো. Okay. Hmm. File or folder already exists, but I'm naming it. एक minute, huh? Okay, it will run now. Okay. Actually, these names I think I've already given it previously. It's already there in the MATLAB drive. I've done so many programs these 3 days, so maybe that's why it's not taking. And I don't even remember what names I've given. So 5, it's running.
मैम आपका नाम दे दीजिए.
अब मेरा नाम भी दिया होगा शायद, मुझे याद नहीं है. अभी रन होगा. The symbol is showing ना. It will run now. It takes a bit of time. That is the problem. It's very slow. Okay, so you did you get what is negative of an image? See, basically it's nothing but it is replacing darker with lighter pixels and lighter pixels with the darker ones. Okay, and negative here we are talking about negative of a grayscale image. Okay, last class someone asked me negative of a colored image. Yes, we can definitely use a colored image as well, but it takes only grayscale images. Like we have run only grayscale image to nothing. You can convert the colored image to first grayscale and then you can perform the negative. Okay, वो भी आएगा colored image. That is also I'll show you. I think I have not included the programs in, right? I have not included any colored model programs in your MATLAB list, I guess. If possible, I'll add 1 or 2. Okay, I'll add only 1. Okay, I'll add a colored image wala MATLAB program also. 11th program it will be. क्या हुआ इतना टाइम लग रहा है?
मैम फाइल तो सेव হৈছে জানো?
হৈছে এইটো তোমাৰ নাহে এইটো ষ্টপ চিম্বলটো নাহে নহলে একোৱে নেদেখায় ফাইলটো সেভ নোহোৱা হলে ফেইল দেখাব নহয় আকৌ সেই তেতিয়াৰ নিচিনা এটা কাম কৰো I'll restart again this shows a lot of problem বন্ধ কৰি দিওঁ This is the problem with online platform. अभी क्लास में होते तो डायरेक्टली दिखाई देते पीसी में ऑनलाइन रुके रहो अभी
तो थ्योरी खत्म कर दीजिए.
क्या थ्योरी
जब ऑफलाइन होगा तब खत्म कर लेंगे.
हाँ हाँ कौन सा थ्योरी
होगा तब ये बोले.
मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तुम्हारा वॉइस ब्रेक हो गया कुछ तो आया मेरा नेट स्लो है क्या नेट तो ठीक है नेट तो ठीक ही है रे. ओके, कंट्रोल V. I hope it comes now. Okay, just wait. हाँ, thank God आया. So guys, can you see the image now? So first figure is trying to show the original image. Okay, अभी तक नहीं आया, आएगा. So first image will be the original image. Okay, so basically the first image is the original image. Oh, एक minute, हाँ. This is the thresholding wala, not the negative of the image. This is image thresholding. ये भगवान क्या हो रहा है?
मैं अपने current folder to side of current folder से काम करियो ভাল.
নিজে নিজে খোল খাই আছে দেখিছানে? মই এটাই খুলিছিলো, দুটা তিনটা খোল খাইছে. অনলাইন মই এইটো বৰ বেয়া পাওঁ মানে.
मैं अपने current folder যাওক, side of যে আছে current folder বুলি.
মানে কাৰেন্ট ফোল্ডাৰত মানে তোমাৰ গোটেই হেখন খুলিব. প্ৰগ্ৰামছ বোৰ বেলেগ বেলেগকে লোৱা নাই ন, এইটো হেৰিত আছে, তোমাৰ ৱৰ্ডত আছে. সো .m ফাইলত লাগিব. 1 sec. ওকে, এইটো হ'ল নেগেটিভ. সো আকৌ টাইম ল'ব এতিয়া. এই ভগৱান, কাটাও না যায়. I'm bored. इस बार होगा तो होगा, नहीं तो I'll go on to the second program. हो गया फिर से ले. जा, गुस्सा आ गया.
अगर हमारे एग्जाम पे नहीं आया तो
एक मिनट भाई, इस बार हुआ तो हुआ, नहीं तो I'll go on to the second program. Okay, okay. Do you have the programs with you all? वो PDF कॉपी है तुम लोग के साथ, एक बार निकाल लो तो.
Yes ma'am, execute হৈছে first book.
First execute হৈছে?
মোৰ দেখাই আছে.
हाँ हाँ.
Yes ma'am.
মোৰ কিবা এৰৰ দেখাই আছে.
এৰৰ কি দেখাইছে? চোৱাচোন, এৰৰ ক্লিক কৰা. ক'বাত সেমিকলন, ক'বাত কমা, ক'বাত থাকি গৈছে. আচ্ছা, তোমালোকে ক'ত ৰান কৰিছা? Could you create MathWorks?
Yes ma'am.
মেম মই অক্টেভ অনলাইন ল্যাপটপ কৰিছো.
অক্টেভত কেনে কাম কৰিছে ৰে? কাম কৰিছে? মোৰতো অক্টেভটো বাদেই গ'ল. মই কাৰণে MathWorksত কৰিছো শ্বেয়াৰ. কাইলৈ পঢ়িলে কলেজ গৈ পেলাই আনিবগে লাগিব ট্ৰায়েল ভাৰ্জন এটা. Oh God. ठीक है, अगर फर्स्ट प्रोग्राम is working, so just go on to the second program. Okay, MATLAB worker is not responding to get the new session. Click on new session. भाई ले ले. I'm bored मैंने. अभी रिकॉर्डिंग का टाइम भी वो कोलैप्स करेगा. रिकॉर्डिंग चल रहा है. ओके, आधा घंटा होगा अभी. 10 मिनट बाद खत्म ही हो जाएगा. ओके, 10 minutes left. If this does not work, I'll show you this. No problem. मेरे पास सोल्यूशन है. ओके ओके okay, I'll show you. So second program is about binary image. Okay, so what is a binary image? Binary image is nothing but it constitutes of zeros and ones, right? ठीक है?
0 and 1s.
ओके फिर ले ये मेरा पीपीटी भी काम नहीं कर रहा है अभी. ओ वर्किंग. सो लेट्स चेक. ओके सो दिस इज अबाउट बाइनरी ऑफ एन इमेज. सो यहाँ पे क्या है? Binary of an image means it has only two possible values, that is one is 0 and the other is 1. That is, it is also known as bicolor or bilevel. Okay, because of black and white, only two colors. So suppose this is the this is my program, suppose. Okay, so no need to so this part will change. Okay, this part will change for everyone, that is different. So clc, clear all, close all, these three commands you know now. It is using for clearing and closing and everything. Then imread function you know now. Imread function is used to read a particular image from your system. Okay, so same, I'm using the cameraman.tif picture again. Imshow is this is small letter. Okay, this will be small letter. So imshow I will be, that is imshow of I, that is it will show the original image, that is I. Then threshold equals to 132. So what is thresholding? What do you understand by the term threshold? So in threshold we have two values. One is the upper threshold, one is the lower threshold. That is upper limit threshold, lower limit threshold. So suppose here I am taking a threshold of 132. ठीक है? So say 132. So अभी क्या होगा? Like whatever image you are taking, so the pixels in that image, say if the value of those pixels in this image will be above 132, then that will have a value of 1. It will show 1, and if all the pixels in that image, the value will be below 132, then it will have a value of 0. That is initially black and white. Okay, so then what will 1 represent here? Because we are talking about zeros and ones, right? So 0 will represent a light color, that is the white color, and 1 will represent the black color, that is the dark color. So the pixels which are above 132, it will show a black colored image, and that is those portion will be black, and those pixel having value less than 132, it will show all white parts. Okay, that is the white parts of the image. And m comma n equals to size of I, that is matrix form because digital image. So this is row, this is column. Then I thresh, so I'm using a value, that is I'm using a variable here. Say I thresh. So what I thresh means here is it will represent the threshold image. So I thresh here, I'm using it to represent the threshold image equals to zeros and comma m comma n, that is it will combine with the original image, and it will set all the values to zeros and ones. Okay, see the commands, see the whole program is similar to the negative program, that is the program of that negative image, the MATLAB program which shows the negative image. So basically all the programs are same, only thing is the equations, it keeps on changing, that is the formulas keeps on changing. Okay, so again I thresh equals to zeros of m comma n. Now for I equals to 1 is to m, that is it is showing the rows of the image, For j equals to 1:n, it is showing the columns of the image. Now it is setting a value here, that is, it is setting an equation here. It is saying that if I of I comma j is greater than threshold, then I thresh of I comma j is 1. This is small I. Okay, that is, what did I say? If the value of if the pixel value of the original image is greater than the threshold value, then it will depict 1, and if it is less than, if the value, that is 132, the threshold value is 132. Okay, and if the threshold value is less than, that is, if the pixel value of the is less than the threshold value, then it will be 0. Okay, so did you get it? Same, very simple. Again, you use the subplot function. Why? We are using the subplot function in order to display the original as well as the threshold image. So 1 2 comma 1, that is 1 is the row number, 2 is the column number, and this one is the first image, that is the original image. Imshow is to display the first image, that is the original image, and subplot 1 comma 2 comma 2, this 2 here represents the second image, that is the threshold image. Okay, so simple, guys. So did you get it? So same, this program is same as that negative program. Okay, only thing is that we have set a threshold value here, that is, say 132. You can change the value accordingly. Okay, you can experiment with this value. Say I'm using 132 here, you can use some other value also. So keeping in mind the conditions, you can set the value here. Okay, so I want to check this program now. Say, I don't know if my MATLAB is working also now. It's not working. Yeah. Okay, let's see once again. Did you implement the second program, guys? Those who are using the online console, did you try the second program, that is this binary?
मैम ये मैटलैब का ट्रायल वर्जन आ ही नहीं रहा है।
तुम्हारा आया ही नहीं अभी तक?
नहीं आया मैम, डायरेक्ट लाइसेंस मांग रहा है मैम।
तो प्रोसेस शायद कुछ दूसरा किया होगा। लाइसेंस तो नहीं मांगता है ट्रायल में। ट्रायल वर्जन एक सेकंड ऑप्शन एक आता है तो।
मैम वो ऑप्शन ही नहीं आया मैम, डायरेक्ट ईमेल का बाद डायरेक्ट लाइसेंस मांग रहा है।
मैम मोरो से हेतु কোনো সেকেন্ড অপশন তো অহাই নাই, ডাইরেক্ট লাইসেন্সৰ প্ৰবলেমটোই দি আছে।
लाइसेंस प्रॉब्लम तो দিব नालागे कारण बिकॉज देखो लाइसेंस नहीं है इसलिए तो ट्रायल वर्जन यूज कर रहे हैं ना, तो वो ऑप्शन आता ही नहीं है एक्चुअली।
मैम वो ट्रायल ऑप्शन ही नहीं आता है मैम।
तब तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगा। इस सेम में तो हम लोग को करना है। ठीक है, आफ्टर दिस लैब आई विल चेक। Okay, I'll check it by myself again from the starting. Then I'll let you know. Okay, I'll give you step by step photos also. Okay, I'll click the pictures and I'll give it in the group. How to like open an account. हाँ,
मैंने एक बार जो किया था मेरा आया है, वो दूसरा ऑप्शन नहीं आता है, लेकिन क्रिएट अकाउंट करने के बाद स्टेप बाय स्टेप ओपन हो जाता है।
अच्छा, देख लो भाई फिर से, नहीं तो छोड़ो। I'll show you step by step. I'll take pictures and then I'll give you there. Okay. देखते हैं this will run or not. I think this should run. Okay, this will run. ये नेगेटिव वाला है। ओके, अब ये नेगेटिव वाला रन हो रहा है। नेगेटिव तो पता ही है, इस लाइटर विद डार्कर, डार्कर विद लाइटर। थ्रेशोल्डिंग आई वांट टू शो। ओके गाइस, एक्चुअली जस्ट लीव, हम लोग के पास टाइम भी नहीं है शायद। 39 मिनट्स डन। डू वन थिंग। ओ आ गया। So this is original image, this is the negative image. Okay guys, can you see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. So this is the original image
Yes, ma'am.
and this is the negative image. So this is about negative. Negative तो you know ना? Negative क्या होता है? एक कैमरा में फोटो लेने से पहले नेगेटिव आता है ना, तो वही नेगेटिव. So it is representing, see, the black is being represented by white and this white is being represented by black. That is lighter, जो lighter part है वो dark बन गया, जो dark है वो light बन गया. एकदम उल्टा उल्टा. Okay? So this is about negative. अब I want to show thresholding last. काम किया तो किया, नहीं तो छोड़ो. ये programs तो these are to very easy programs. अब ये नहीं run होगा तो क्या होगा? MATLAB में तो और भी कितना सारा incomplicated programs are there. क्या हुआ? Okay, let's see if this runs. Okay. Please run, please run, please run. ये भी run होगा अभी. Okay. See, बाकी सब figures उड़ गया. Why? Because you are using the close all command. Okay. So close all command, it will clear all the previously opened images. ठीक है? So इसलिए उड़ गया. अभी देखते हैं this figure it comes or not. It should come. हाँ, thank God आया.
Subplot to use करिব লাগে.
Subplot.
Subplot. This one.
Oh, you can use subplot also. Subplot actually this is used for see, when we have say 3-4 programs, 3-4 figures. Suppose we want the image to display. What am I saying? Suppose this is a program. I just want to show the binary of an image, right? So this is the binary of the image. This is the binary of the image using thresholding function. Okay. So what happens is when we want to display more outputs, this is only one output. So when we want to display 3-4 outputs, then we actually use the subplot command. Okay. Now for this single output, actually subplot is not needed. You can use subplot still, but if you don't use subplot also, this program will work. Okay. So this is the original image, but okay, this is another program. Okay, I changed the value. The previous program, it was 132, right? The threshold I used is as 132, and then I gave a limit also. That is from 127 to 255. I gave the limit. Limit is like for binary image it is for grayscale image it is 0 to 255, right? So I set the value to 255 here. You can run the other program also. So for this program, this is the output, that is binary image using the thresholding function. Okay, the other program will also work. The other program, that is whatever I explained just now, that will also work. Okay, this program is being listed in this Word file, right? Okay, so in whatever I presented, that like whatever program I explained just now, that is a different program. This program is here. Okay, this program is already here. So I'm using 127 to 255. I have actually given a limit here, that is 0 to 255. So you can keep on experimenting with this. I'll give the other program also if you need. That will also work. Okay. Okay, guys. So did you understand what is thresholding now? So thresholding means normally we have two limits. That is, one is the upper limit threshold value, and the other is lower limit threshold value. And we can keep on playing with those upper limit values and lower limit. Okay, you can keep on experimenting with those values and you can see what type of image it comes here. So I experimented with this value of 127 here, and for 127 this is the image, this is the output. Okay, so kindly try to run. The people who are able to already created an account in MathWorks, or I think some of you are using this Octave online as well. So those people try to implement these 10 programs. I want you to implement those 10 programs. Okay, that's why I have given you the programs beforehand. Okay, at least you will get an idea of how the output will look like, what is the input function, what is output function. ठीक है?
Ma'am, please 10টা ৰাখিব লাগে।
হে? Please 10টা। ঠিক আছে, মই actually 11টা কৰিম বুলি
আপোনাক লাগে।
ভাবিছিলো। Actually, I wanted to keep one more. I wanted to show the colored image. ठीक है, no problem. I'll show you the colored image. That will be just for knowledge purpose then. Okay. So let's keep it till 10. So okay, those people who could not create the account, I'll check it now itself, and I'll give you step-by-step photos in your group. Okay. Okay. So let's end it for here. Let's end it here for today. So how many people were present today for lab? Same?
9 of us only.
9. कौन एब्सेंट है रे? मैं बता दूं?
दिव्या, लिदिमो, मोमोचा,
दिव्या, लिदिमो, मोमोचा।
सभी को।
ओके, मतलब थियोरी में जो एब्सेंट था वही सब ना?
यस मैम।
দিব্যা মাজতে আছিলে, তাৰপিছত তাই মোবাইলটো বেয়া হ'ল, তাই কাপোৰ ওলাই গ'ল।
ओके, ठीक है। दिव्या, she was not present for theory. I'll give her at least for practical. नहीं तो उसको प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा फिर बाद में अटेंडेंस का। ओके, सो लिडेमो, सफिकुर एंड मोमोचा ना? These 3 are absent. Okay. Okay, ठीक है, तो we'll stop the session here for today. Okay, tomorrow we have the first class. I'll start with the unit 2. Okay, until then, if you have any doubts, kindly go through the doubts. Okay, and just let me know. ठीक है? Okay, guys.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
मैम।
Mm-mm.